Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Buckle up, because today we're taking a deep dive into the thrilling world of drone leaks. We've all been buzzing about a potential new addition to the DJI Air family, a drone shrouded in secrecy with whispers of the name Air 3S or Air 4. While the official title remains a mystery, leaked information suggests some exciting features for content creators, and here's the shocker. One might be a complete game changer. Taking a cue from recent YouTube videos and online discussions, here's what's got the drone community abuzz. Dual camera powerhouse. Leaks suggest a dual camera system. This could mean a primary camera with a 1-inch sensor for stunning image quality, paired with a telephoto lens offering zooming capabilities. Imagine capturing those breathtaking landscapes and then seamlessly zooming in for intricate details. Endurance in the skies. Flight time is a major concern for drone pilots. Whispers on YouTube point towards an impressive flight time for this new drone. Imagine capturing sweeping cinematic shots or complex projects without worrying about a quick battery drain. Safety first. Advanced obstacle avoidance technology is a recurring theme in leak discussions. This would be a major plus, especially for beginner pilots or those flying in intricate environments. Foldable and portable. Classic DJI. The leaks suggest this new drone will retain the signature foldable design, making it incredibly portable and easy to throw in a backpack for your next adventure. But wait, there's more. Now here's where things get juicy. Leaks hint at a potential feature entirely unseen in any other consumer drone on the market. We can't reveal the specifics yet, we want to keep some surprise. But let's just say it has the potential to revolutionize the way we capture content with drones. Imagine possibilities beyond stunning visuals and smooth flight. This could be a whole new ballgame. The rumor mill is churning, and we want to hear your wildest theories. What do you think this secret weapon could be? Is it a mind-blowing obstacle avoidance system? A real-time editing suite on board? Share your thoughts and predictions in the comments below. With the official announcement still under wraps, this is just the beginning of the DJI Air mystery. We'll be keeping a close eye on any official updates and diving deeper into confirmed features, especially that secret weapon, as they emerge. Stay tuned, and in the meantime, let the drone discussion take flight and get a little crazy in the comments.